In this guide, you will learn how to get rid of screen time on iOS 26 without needing the passcode. First thing you want to do is launch settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option screen time. Screen time is designed to limit how much time you spend on apps and even restrict certain device features and content, which can become frustrating if you no longer want these limits in place. Once in this page, click on the option App Limit. Here you may see limits already set, such as daily time restriction on apps. If you try to remove or edit these limits, you'll notice that iOS asks for the screen time passcode, which you may not remember. The same issue applies to other restrictions, including content and privacy restrictions, which can also block certain features. To remove screen time without the passcode, go back to main screen time menu and scroll all the way down to find Change Screen Time Passcode. Tap on it, and when the options appear, choose to turn it off. At the bottom of the screen, tap Forgot Passcode. Since you don't know the passcode, you can recover access by signing in with the Apple ID linked to screen time. If you don't remember the Apple ID password, you can tap Forget Password and reset it. Once the Apple ID is verified, screen time will be unlocked and turned off. After that, you can return to app limits and other screen time settings and disable them freely, or turn off screen time entirely. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.